Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Opera GX browser from your computer. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Method 1. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then the Start menu will open. Type Control Panel in the search bar, and double-click on the Control Panel application from results. Then the Control Panel window will open. Click on the Uninstall a Program option. It displays the list of applications. Click on the Opera GX browser from that list to select it. On the top, you will find the Uninstall option. Click on it. A pop-up will appear as shown in the tutorial. Click on Uninstall. Method 2. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Search for Run, and double-click from the results to open the Run dialog box. There, enter the command displaying on screen and hit Enter. Then it takes you to the Programs window. From there, select the Opera GX browser, and click on the Uninstall option available on the top of the window. Then a pop-up will appear as shown on the screen. Click on Uninstall. Method 3. Hit the Windows key on your keyboard to launch the Start menu. Type Settings in the search bar, and double-click on the settings from the results. Then the Settings window will open. Move to the Apps section from the left menu. Select the Installed Apps option from that list. From there, find the Opera GX browser and click on the three dots icon. An options list will open. Choose Uninstall, and later click on Uninstall to confirm. A pop-up will appear as shown in the tutorial. Choose the Uninstall option. A dialog box will appear. Click on Yes to confirm the uninstallation process. Method 4. Launch the Start menu by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Type Opera GX browser in the search bar, and then it displays the results as shown in the tutorial. Right-click on the application to open the options list. Choose the Uninstall option from that list. Then it takes you to the Installed Apps window. Find the Opera GX browser in that list, and click on the three dots icon. An options list will open. Choose Uninstall option from that list, and click on Uninstall to confirm. Then you will find a pop-up as shown in the tutorial. Choose the Uninstall option from that pop-up. A dialog box will appear. Click on Yes to confirm the uninstallation process. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.